All right, good afternoon, guys. Good evening, guys. Good morning, or it all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. First of all, this is a Brainybite tutorial, a YouTube channel dedicated for Jamb or university aspirants, so that we help you guys guide you in anything that concerns your Jamb, your schools, your admission, news, and every other part of it related thing. All right, so if you're a Jamb candidate, I would advise you to hit the subscribe button, then so that turn on the bell notification, so that whenever we drop any amazing content just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to watch it. All right, and not only that, um we will still be dropping updates that concerns all schools, all Nigeria universities, polytechnics, here on this some private universities. Okay, so we'll be dropping updates about the school. So if you don't want to be left out with any of your school updates, I advise you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop the update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. We also have we also have a WhatsApp community. We have a WhatsApp community for our registered 2024 JAM candidate. Okay, however, you can be one of our member. You can also join us. If you want to join us, let me know in the comment section. You'll be right there to join us. I'll give you my number and you message me, and after getting to know you, I will add you up to the WhatsApp group. Okay, and I want to tell you that if you watch this very video to the very end, um I will tell you the benefits of becoming one of our candidates. Okay, I will tell you the benefits of becoming one of our candidates. Believe me, it is very, very interesting, and if you are one of our candidates, you would definitely like to be one of us, and you would definitely like your brother or your sister, also a JAM candidate, to be one of us, and you want to refer us to any of your friends also. All right, so today, just like the way I promised all my subscribers, yeah, all of my subscribers, I thank you so much. My returning viewers, I appreciate you guys. Okay, whenever I do love you guys, or as we all know. Okay, so just the way I promised my all my subscribers that I'll be giving you guys or any questions that my candidate ask me, I will come here to answer all of the questions, because I won't use the word I will come here to answer all of the questions. All right, so couple of days, some came to me and were asking me about this Jamb withheld result. All right, so they came to me, they were asking me because they said they saw a news concerning the results, that people their results were withheld are definitely going to rewrite the Jamb again, or are they going to forfeit the examination. Okay, that was the question they came to me to ask me during the weekend. So, and I promised them that I will answer the question on the platform here, so that every other persons out there that is not yet our member can also benefit from here also. All right, so now the reason why Jamb withheld some results is because they said, in the case of malpractice, so they want to scrutinize the every aspect of the process of the exams to ensure that the integrity of the exam was not compromised. Okay, so that was the reason why Jamb has to withheld some results. So I don't know if you have been following up. If you notice, earlier last week they released about 36,540 results. Okay, and it's still remaining about 27,460 persons still withheld. So before now, those persons that asked me, I told them that your results will definitely be out. All right, they will definitely release your results. Okay, they will definitely release your results. If they withheld your result, it is because, just like, let's use WAEC as an example. If WAEC withheld your result, it's because of maybe because of some investigations they will want to carry out on the results to ensure that there's nothing like malpractice on the exam. So that's basically the reason why they always withheld result. Board always withheld result. All right, so So that shouldn't be the reason why they should want you guys to rewrite again. Nobody's asking you to come and rewrite again. So if maybe they still want you guys, but I don't think it is after the investigations they will release the results. All right. So this investigations is not because of candidates. It is not because of even some candidate that went inside with some things were like asking me. It is not because of you. This investigation is as a result of some CCTV, some centers that their CCTV cameras are not working functional, like they're not functioning well. Some that have glitch of maybe cameras or some technical challenges. So Jamb now we assume that something they did something at that very particular time, so they want to ensure that there was nothing like malpractice. Okay, so that's basically the reason why they withheld the result, but believe me, they are going to release your result. So just calm down, don't feel anyhow. So if you notice, unlike them before, this year they are very very slow this year. So unlike them before, they would have activated online results for online original results, but they have not done that because they knew that they are not yet done with the results. All right, so there's no way they will activate results online while some persons have not seen their own. All right, so that's the reason why they have not activated original results for you to check and print your original results online. So if you are still among the people that are still having the issues of not be able to check your original Jamb results, please note that the results are not yet out online because of what I'm explaining to you now. So it is only when Jamb is done with this withheld investigations, that's when they will activate the portal so that everybody can be able to check their results and print their results online. All right, so what you will do now is to hold on. Your results will be out soon. Okay, so now let me tell you the benefits of just like the way I promised you guys. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to share the benefit of becoming our Jamb candidate, or our Jamb 2024 candidate. Okay, so now the benefit, we have lots of benefits. Okay, but I just want to give you guys a few part of it. Okay, one is that I know that after the Jamb examination, what comes next is post-UTME. So we are giving you guys post-UTME past question, updated post-UTME past questions for all schools, polytechnics, and so on. All right, so as a member of our of our group, you have access to post-UTME past questions for free. All right, and secondly, we'll still guide you anytime you have any question, or anytime you have any issues at all that concerns your admission. We ensure we help you get all of those things done. All right, there's no way you be thirdly there's no way you be our member and you don't get admission. It is not possible. And fourth, we, you can be able to interact with your fellow aspirants in the group. You make friends from there. You ask a question. We also have group tutorial. Okay, you ask a question, you learn from your students, your fellow students. You ask question. All right, so that's basically what you will get as our member. All right, and very lastly, as a student, you will not be able to be, when you get admission into higher institution, you 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 by that particular time, if you don't have something doing, or if you don't have something that will be fetching you some cash, you will find out that you will be lacking money then. So this, because of that, now we are going to launch. We have introduced a program, but I'm not going to expose the program yet. So believe me, we are going to launch the program next year. The reason why we are launching the program next year is for our aspirants, our admitted candidates. Okay, if we launch the program next year, by then you'll be getting some funds from our program. All right, you'll be getting cash from our program, so I can be able to cater yourself in school, help yourself do one or two things in school. All right, so that is basically the benefits of becoming our member, and we'll have all our other benefits also, which I won't be exposing here now. Okay, it is when you join us, you will know some of them. All right, so this will be ending this video. Thank you for watching from beginning to the end. So I love you guys, and until I see you again in my next content, don't forget I love and cherish you. Okay, keep winning.